right, so pretty much every morning, this has been the breakfast. Pancakes, eggs, and turkey links or turkey sausage patties.
Yeah, that's right.
Yes,
And
and
also a grilled cheese sandwich for me. But no toast, Mom.
all right, so we are going fishing.
The tail, like a little minnow. So
And I don't need nothing on it.
that's it. So you're gonna be just jigging with it, but you know you only got one reel, right?
See, I just
That's okay, because we ain't gonna be out here that long now, but you know, so we ain't gonna need no lighted, no box. But I got one that I got.
smaller one. Right
This
here.
don't break down.
That may be the one that don't break down. That's why. That one don't break down. I got another one that breaks down right here.
Well, I don't know if we're gonna be able to get this in my truck. I'm in my car.
I got this.
Huh?
I got the smaller one too for like little, you know, something. This
You know,
side
it like that, huh?
I can slide through. It don't matter. Instead of we open this one. And a little tiny one. What we gonna put on the tiny one?
You just want to pretty much.
Yeah.
You got like just.
I don't know if I bought any regular. I bought all of them for like 50 or.
I think I might have one here.
I might have some in my bag.
Yeah, I asked the lady up there when I got the bait if they've been catching it. She said, yeah, they've been getting a few crappie and stuff. So, you know, we might have a chance to do a little something, you know. We just ain't gonna have a lot of time. You know, I told you when I think they're gonna be really, you know what I'm saying?
I had more stuff at the house, but I was rushing trying to.
Big old chocolate bar. A bunch of these. I wasn't bringing that. I just brought this. Yeah, that's what you.
So what are you grilling, brother?
Some good old fish.
All right.
Good old.
Looks like salmon.
Yeah, that's some good salmon.
Not
Yeah.
even salmon.
Yeah.
It is.
Yeah.
So that's salmon fish.
Yes, it is. And it's gonna be taken.
Yeah. Stand right there. No, just turn around. It's fine. Like that. Like lean on the car. Like yeah. Oh my. All right, brother. What are you grilling?
Got some good old salmon right here, ready for my yummy stomach.
All right now. Nice.
I don't know what Disney princess that is, but I like your head wrap. It's real shiny.
It's from
Rapunzel.
How could you say that for me?
Back down your hair, Rapunzel. Huh?
Moon has that. It's Rapunzel, yeah.
Yeah, she's too advanced. Rapunzel, y'all, Judah? Okay. Got you.
Also, I was Rapunzel, yeah, and I think the Feast of Tabernacles.
What did you say?
I'm Rapunzel, and I think Rapunzel, yeah, and I did the Feast of Tabernacles.
Okay. So this is day 6, Hannah. So what do you think so far? Tomorrow's our last day here. Are you excited about that? I don't think so, huh?
No con, guys. No con. No con. Daddy's friends.
Oh my gosh. Y'all are funny.
Oh, you know what con means? Con means yes.
Oh, okay.
Con, no. Con, no.
Okay.
This is the one that.
This is the one that you want, Hannah?
Mhm.
Nice. So tell us, how much is this?
36.
What is that little number right there?
99.
Yep, so it's $36.99. Okay. And this is the age of the children who can this is the size. So if they're this age, they can wear this dress. We have to this is not your age, is it? Are you this age? Are you 3?
No.
Are you 4?
I used to be that.
Yeah, but we have to go down to your size. So you hit here, and then you go 4 to 5 years. So push that one. So you can get your size, okay? Perfect, okay? And then so this, we can find out what all of these items are. This is what it is. It says it's a brooch. So this is the brooch. That's what that is right there. That's a brooch, see? It says it has a rhinestone brooch, a cute bubble sleeve. See the sleeves, right? And a hidden back zipper. Okay? So that is what that is, if you were wondering. This is a brooch, and these are the earrings, and that's one. So that's what you would get. Do you think that's a good deal? $36.99 for that?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah?
I want it.
You want it. All right. Well,
Can you pay me this?
I think you will look lovely with this one.
That's
Just lovely.
I want this one. It's the one. Can you buy it?
What does that say?
That's what.
Add to cart. You want us to add it to the cart?
Mm-hmm.
We have to read it if you want to buy it. It says add it to cart. Mm-hmm. Okay? And what's that color say?
Pink.
All right. And what are the ages for the children that will wear it?
4 to 5.
4 and 5. What does this word say?
Half.
Right here. What's that word say?
Years.
What is it?
Years.
Years. Exactly. It says years. All right. And what does this word? What does this say? Go to cart. So go to cart. So that's how you would go to the cart, okay? All right.
And I want to buy it.
I'm sure you do want to buy it. We'll ask your daddy. We'll see. I think it's a good deal, though. I don't think it's too expensive. I like it.
That's why you want it.
I know.